Welcome to LoomWithin. If you're watching this, it's possible that you or someone you care about is struggling with porn addiction. And if that's the case, I want you to know that it's okay to feel lost, but you don't have to stay there. There is hope, and healing begins with taking that very first step toward change. Porn addiction can leave you feeling trapped in a cycle you can't seem to break. You may feel shame, guilt, and frustration. Maybe you've tried before and failed, or maybe you're too afraid to even begin. But you are not alone. Many people have walked this difficult path and found their way to recovery. And so can you. The first thing I want you to hear is this: you are not defined by your addiction. You are a person deserving of love, compassion, and healing. Porn addiction is a challenge, not a permanent part of who you are. And it's possible to break free. The journey to recovery is not an easy one. There are moments of doubt, times when you'll feel like giving up. But it's important to remember, healing isn't linear. You might take one step forward, then find yourself taking 2 steps back. That's okay. What matters is that you keep going. Every small step counts. And you are strong enough to take them. Think of it this way: addiction is like a deep wound. The first stage of recovery is simply acknowledging the pain. But just like any wound, healing begins with recognition and care. And from there, we move toward understanding. Why did this addiction form? What emotional pain or trauma is it masking? This is where therapy, especially cognitive behavioral therapy, can be life-changing. It helps you address the root causes and rewire the patterns of thought and behavior that led to the addiction. But healing doesn't just come from understanding. It comes from compassion for yourself. It comes from embracing the difficult emotions and not running away from them. That's where mindfulness, self-care, and small acts of kindness toward yourself come in. You deserve to feel peace, to feel free from the weight of this addiction. You deserve to feel whole. Remember, healing is not a journey you have to take alone. Reach out for help. Whether it's a therapist, a support group, or someone you trust, there are people who want to help you, who want to see you thrive. You don't have to carry this burden on your own. And finally, I want to remind you that addiction recovery is a process. It will take time. It will take patience. But it's a process that is worth every single effort. Your past doesn't define you. The choices you make today will shape your future. And you are capable of building a life free from the chains of addiction. So, if you're struggling right now, I want you to know that there is a way out. Healing is possible. You are worthy of love, peace, and freedom. And you are not alone on this journey. Thank you for watching.